Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Gorsha Hayes, finally back with another video on the channel. And today I have brought an awesome video for you, as today I'll be demonstrating how you can read or recover the deleted WhatsApp messages on your phone. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel or haven't already subscribed, make sure to do it right now and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified for more quality videos on the channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Play Store and search for the application called Notisave. And then you need to download this application. I have already downloaded it, so I will just simply open it. And after opening, you will have to grant access to the various permissions that it asks. First, simply click on Next, click on Allow. And then we need to grant the notification access, click on Allow. Go back, click Allow. Now it's loading the app list and you can select the apps that you want to receive notifications from. Now it by default selects all the social media apps in your phone. So we'll just simply go back, click on Next, go back and enable auto start option. Go back again and click Next, Next and Next. And you are good to go. Now let's demonstrate how it actually works. So for example, let's open WhatsApp here. And for instance, let me just send a simple message here. Hi, and then it goes like hello. Now, let's assume that the person sent you a message and unfortunately you missed it. And then when you went to read the message, it was deleted by the user. So how are you going to recover it? Now let's exemplify this. I will send a message from another phone. I know the notification is going to pop up on the screen, but let's actually assume that you missed it. So it will go like this. Now assume that you missed this notification. And when you unlocked your phone again, the person had actually deleted this message. So as you can see, the person has deleted this message. And you didn't know what the message was. But what Notisave does for you, it saves the notification data of your phone. Because the person sent you a message, you got a notification, and then the person went and deleted the message, but the first notification was already saved on your phone. So this is how Notisave works. Now, in order to read that message, you just simply need to open Notisave, and here you can see the saved notification from WhatsApp 37 seconds ago. You'll simply click and open it, and this was the deleted message. The message was subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you haven't already done that, make sure to do it right now. This app is also going to work for other social media applications that work in the same way in which a person first sends a message and then he has the access to delete the message. So you can read the deleted message from all such social media applications. So that was all covered up in this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now and hit the bell icon. Leave a like on the video and post your questions or thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.